Okay, what's the deal with this ad?
Looks like you have a big problem.
How big are we talking?
Very big.
This is, of course, the Doritos ad.
Maybe I should go down there and take a good look.
This is ridiculous. It's funny, though. It's very funny.
Microfractures in your drain assembly are compounded by gasket failure, culminating in a breach at the P-trap compression junction.
Do I hear banging?
All right. So, funny. Funny. There's another bit.
I'm afraid we don't have any cash.
Is there some other way we can pay you? Oh, I'm so glad you asked.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah. I have a couple of payment plans. 4 interest payments every 2 weeks or 0% financing for 6 months. Pay it off in one lump sum.
Is that moaning I heard?
Okay. So, yeah, fun ad. Fun, memorable. So if you've got something that's very broad and almost anyone can use, which is Doritos, you can just do things that are memorable or weird or whatever. This is an awareness ad. This is just to remind people that there are Doritos and that there's a new flavor. But it's not so much click here and go to the Doritos page and put in your wallet and get a Dorito. That's not what you're doing. That's ridiculous. You go to the store and you get Doritos. So different. It's an awareness ad, not a conversion or direct response ad. But you can use the same method for direct response, and it can combine direct response and awareness, but maybe for different products.